Welcome everybody! Alright, so my GoPro holder has broken, but I think it is okay enough for me to use. I did super glue my GoPro holder back together, the part that kept popping off. I'm gonna try and hit everything. Today, I'm here and It's Always Sunny in Maine. That's a TV show reference. You don't get it, but hope this doesn't move around a lot because it's like really loose because it's broken and stuff. It is 100 degrees out right now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
GoPro's most likely gonna overheat, and I have water, and it's hot. So, it's okay once I get going. Oh, the wind feels so hot. It's not even so. Brandon 1983 left this morning. I hope you guys like that little short of my PC not working. It's pretty great. I gotta get out the way of this big truck. Just so you don't have to bear it. There's nobody out here. It's like a ghost town. Oh, I should bring money on. We are out here with the new hat. Because I lost my red one that was always iconic for like 3 videos until that got lost. But this will be the new hot hat. Not hot, the new hat. I don't even know where I want to go, man. It's too hot out here to be doing anything. Well, too bad I'm biking. Biking in 100-degree weather. At least when you get going fast, it's not too bad because the air cools you down a little bit. I did bring water. Not because I was pushed to, it's because he said, Mike, I'm not sure. He's all like, you're going to grab water if you're going out. And I was all like, alright, I'll grab water. Because I looked at the freaking temperature gauge, 100 degrees out, and I'm all like, I was like, I thought it was supposed to be hot out, but I didn't think it was going to be like freaking 100. It's 100 degrees out here today, so I'm about to get cooked like a lobster out here, except with not the boiling water part. So, pretty great. I bet you there's going to be no one in sight because it's so hot out there. People are going to look at me and they're going to be like, is that kid crazy out here biking? My GoPro's going to overheat. Oh yeah, the last video I filmed with Brandon 1983, yeah, my GoPro didn't record a single bit of it, even though it was recording, so that's great. Probably ran out of freaking hours on my freaking thing, and it was all like, yep. It only recorded, I think, like one piece of it. Wow. A free. What? Oh, alright. Oh, what is it? People pulling out. Alright. She's probably all like, hey, I don't care if I pull out, there's nobody out here anyways. And there was me, at least I got a squeaky brake to let people know. And she was all like, oh, shit. Bicyclist. I told her she could go. I'm not gonna be a douche. Goddamn. That's just stupid. Why am I even biking out here, man? This is a good, quick way to get heat stroke. I don't know what this bus is doing, but I'm going on the sidewalk because I ain't gonna do that shit. There's nobody getting off at that bus stop. I'm not doing that shit. Not gonna go up against the bus because why would you? I don't know which way this dude's going. Oh, this way, bro. Oh. I'll get onto the sidewalk. Like I said, I'm not going up against the bus. Oh wow, of all the directions it could have gone. It went forwards. Usually my GoPro's used to go backwards, but hey, maybe not today. Maybe it decides today's opposite day. I don't know. Still, don't know why. I have no idea why I'm out here. Probably should stop for water. We're not even that sweaty, and I'm surprised. Usually it's all like, oh, it's 71 days, so I'm gonna sweat all over the place. Oh, well, today's 100, and I'm not sweating at all. What is this? I say it's bullshit or some kind of tomfuckery, and I'm pulling it. Literally, no, I'll be riding a bike, and then I'll be sweating like a lobster in the water, you know? The boiling kind, not the still kind. But like, no, today I'm all like, oh, you're fine. You got water. You can drink it. I got a little skull with fire. Or something like that. People are all like, why are you biking? You're crazy. And I'm all like, because why not? Why not? Hey, at least my GoPro mountain is a little bit. That's nice party H2O. If you don't get that movie reference, you're sad. But I mean, hey, a lot of movie references I give off are older than dirt. Not really, but. And plus, a lot of kids probably stumble across my videos, not adults, being like, oh, look at that kid. I know that movie. Probably a bunch of, like, 10-year, like, freaking 5-year-olds being like, hey, look at him. He's wearing no helmet on his bike. That is dangerous. I'm leaving a hate comment. You are stupid. I wish you died. I hope you fall off your bike. Which is, you know, probably what it is, but I don't look at my comments. So if you ever comment to me, expect me not to reply for like 5 months, because usually I never look at my comments. Unless, you know, I happen to be live streaming, and then I sort of have to look at them, you know, because I have to find the friggin' live streaming section. Pretty great. Took out here like a lobster. Remember, guys, if you're out here in Maine and you're out here in this 100-degree weather, bring water. It'll help you. Why am I riding on this sidewalk? The sidewalk is painful every one. Talking like a 5-year-old. I'm gonna get further. I don't think no one's coming. Why am I even going this way? I don't want to. I want to go the other way. Express. I'm going the other way. It's kind of stupid. I just need a video today, so thought I'd come out here on 100-degree weather besides making a video on my desktop PC that needs like too many things because it's broken. Your kids in the back there. Look at us, we got a pool. The 100 degrees out. I don't have to worry about water and hydration. I got 99-degree weather in cold water. I'm fine. I'm pretty sure it's like 100 is like past boiling point or something like that. Somewhere around there. So yeah, those kids are probably almost boiling in that little lobster. Car. You come out of nowhere, mister. You gotta slow down. Oh, let's hope there's nobody coming. Don't think so. If somebody is, too bad. Drive on a sidewalk. Oh wow, there was somebody coming. It was a Subaru with a hood scoop. That is dumb as fuck. There goes the Subaru with the hood scoop. Look at that thing. What is that, Impreza? Something like that. Impreza with a hood scoop. Come on, if you gotta have a hood scoop, you gotta have a modified, muffler. Them loud things, annoying. Nice Mustang. 94, I'm guessing. 95. If you gotta have your Subaru, you gotta make it sound like this. You know, them annoying things. It's kind of sad how I'm sitting here recording a video of me trying to make annoying Subaru sounds with my mouth. You want a cam. If you want to make an annoying Subaru, you want a cam. Or just anything that can vibrate when you go or something like that. Anything that can make it go like something like that. I can't make the vibrating sound because I'm very sad on the inside. Why are we even out here? 100 degrees. Dude riding a motorcycle. Probably gonna get mugged. Nobody's gonna care because it's 100 degrees out and they want to stay in their 60-degree homes. Dying of death. Already. Still not sweating somehow. But I'm very, very dying of heat. Makes no sense. Yeah. Out here, 70-degree weather, sweating. Somehow not dying of heat stroke. Come out here, 100-degree weather. Not sweating, but dying of heat stroke. That's why you should always carry water. Thank the good Jesus Lord for H2O. For which then we would never have soda. And everybody would die of heat stroke. Ed would most likely drink some other kind of nasty substance for water consumption. Good morning. He's looking at me and he's always giving me a smile. Yeah, more like he's talking to himself going, what in the hell is this kid doing out here on a goddamn BMX? Almost just died there for a minute. I didn't imagine myself to get so tan. It's kind of bull. I'm part Irish. Usually I burn instead of get tan, but nope, this year I got tan. Usually I just burn and continue to stay pale. More pale than Casper the Ghost. But nope, this summer I actually... Same thing with last summer too. I mean, well, not the getting tan part, but like being... Last summer, all summer long, it was horrible. It wasn't like at the beginning of the summer where it started out like 50, 60. No, it was like 100 the first day summer struck. So, I mean, it's pretty great last year. I think last year we broke like heat records, man. No one's out here still. Why is nobody out? Oh, wait, probably because it's the middle of the day and everybody's at work and also nobody. Oh my God, my brake lever is burning. Bro. Alright, let's not get ran over by a car. Ugh, bro. Car comes out of nowhere. Get out the road. Pretty sure that's how it works. Right? Oh, my seat burns. I was off it for like, what, 2 minutes and my seat's burning my butt. Heated seats. Yeah, you don't want them in the summertime. Now I'm starting to get a little sweaty. Finally, I've probably been sweating for like past 10 minutes and I just haven't realized it. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay out here any longer. It's too bad out here. Please. Deluxe Motors. We got the oldie cars. We got the Subarus. Hyundai. Now I have a funny story to tell people. Found a Subaru with a fake hood scoop that didn't even have muffler. Oh yeah, no, this camera's dying, bro. This camera's dying. Anywho, I'm staying here. Actually, no, I'm probably going inside. I'm not anymore today. Maybe another day. You know, when I'm not dying of heat stroke, but... Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop this video here, mostly because I'm done. No. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the future. Peace.